Why to die before death arrives? Why to decompose our body before death arrives? One day we have to die because we are born here. Also, death is also truth. So after death, the body is destroyed. Then why to destroy our body or why to decompose our body before death arrives? Many people are going through gastritis, digestion issue, liver issues, stomach problems, headaches, many kind of big issues such as liver cancer. Some people also find difficulties in lungs, throat, ears, eyes, head. There are a lot of injuries happens inside body. Then what is the cause of behind this kind of disease, such harmful diseases? The problem is it's not about the patient, it's not about the sufferer only. It's all about the surrounding people, the loved ones, the families, relatives who are also going through this suffering. It's not about only the suffering for the people, it's all about psychologically, mentally, physically, money loss, lot of issues that arises because of one disease. Why it is happening? What is the reason behind all these things are happening? Science may give a lot of information related to cancer, tumor, that because of this is happening, because of that this is happening. But is it true that science also fails to get rid of all these diseases permanently from this world? No, right? Then what is the exact reason? That we are going to deep dive into this topic. Namo Himalaya, I am Priyadarshini, your mindset transformation and manifestation coach. Today in this video, we are going to very deep dive into a serious topic, a very important topic about why to choose food consciously and why it is so important to choose conscious food and what are the advantages are going to happen in our life if we choose our food consciously. But before that, I would like to know which part of the world you are tuning from and what kind of manifestation you are doing. If you have any kind of questions related to spirituality, manifestation or law of attraction or anything that's related to our life transformation, please drop a comment on our comment box so that I can read your comment and also answer you back. And also I request you to watch the video until the end because there are a lot of more information you are going to receive through this video that may not have revealed somewhere else. Because this is my journey and I have been in this conscious journey since 5 years. Every realization brings into a new information that involves into a lot of right way of living that may going to help you in your life in a permanent way. First of all, we should remember that our body is made up of with a natural process by nature, by universe, by creation of this earth or the universe. We are not a synthesized person or we are not something material like synthesized. And natural process includes 5 elements. Natural process belongs to 5 tattvas. What does that mean? Breathing, water, heat producing, earth, space. These 5 elements. Everything in this earth composed of 5 elements. Absence of any of this element can be imbalanced. What does that mean? Nature is balanced with 5 elements. Similarly, our body is also from nature. So we are also made up of with 5 elements. Food which has no liveliness, it's not going to help anyone's life because it is already dead, as I already revealed. so that we should not consume such things, we should not focus on such things which has no growing capacity. That's why our Vedic structure has already revealed all these things about relating to choosing food, what we should eat, what we not to eat, why to eat. All these things are already revealed. Even if someone is not able to understand, one question should ask: what is it, this body? How this body has come to this life? We are just come to this earth one day, and we are also going to go away from this body one day. That means this body is just a temple. If we worship this body like a temple by serving good food, nutritious food, by choosing right way of food which can grow our body, then this body will also give as a result of temple. Even if we are dying, we are going to die in a very good way. After death, somebody is going to destroy. But why to die when the death is already not arrived? What does that mean? All these diseases you are seeing, all these diseases you can see, it is just decomposing the body. It is just destroying the body. It's just decomposition of all organs. What does that mean? When you eat all decomposed food, then it will also give the result of decomposition. So there is no blame, there is no pointing of anyone's information, there is no pointing of anyone's food style, there is no pointing of anyone's lifestyle. It's all about choosing food. That's why I request you all to go through this video once again. If you still don't understand, you can once again watch, or also you can realize these things by yourself, so that you can choose the food consciously for your body. This life is yours, decision is yours, result is also yours. I am just a very small being. I am here, I have some information that I have revealed. That is my duty, and rest is on you. So if you find some informative from this video, then please hit the like button and subscribe our channel, and also please hit this bell button to our upcoming next video. And also thank you so much for watching my video. Namo Himalaya.